Alright, good morning 5B2. We will start the lesson today by going through your homework questions. So I hope all of you have done your homework as well as the work that you're supposed to do during e-learning day. Okay, so if you recall, the last time before you went for e-learning day, okay, we started on congruent triangles and we actually went through the first two tests for congruent triangles, the side test and the side angle side test, and you were asked to try 4 questions. So first of all, let's look at question 1. Question 1, you're asked to show that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle GHK. So looking at this, alright, we have two sides that are given, and they are the same, and you find that the included angle is also the same as well, so we know that we probably have to use the SAS property, whereby you see that the angle is in between the two same sides. So if you recall, to prove the SAS property, we will need to show that two sides are the same, two angles are the same, and another two sides are the same. So first of all, maybe let's look at the long side DF. I will have to show that DF is equals to this side here, which is also 6. But remember, the order of congruent triangles is very important. So if you have DF, DF must correspond to G and K, looking at the respective order here. So be careful, cannot write KG, you must write GK, and this is equals to 6 cm. So we prove that the sides are equal, we can use a bracket S to represent. Next we have to prove that the angle in between is the same. So we know that angle D is equals to angle G. And we must check, does D correspond to G? Yes, it does. And this is equals to 30 degrees. So we have our A. And finally, the last side S, let's use DE. DE, we check the corresponding side. DE will correspond to GH. So let's look at GH here. Corresponds to GH, which is equal to, something's wrong with the pen today, equals to 4 cm, which gives you the side. Therefore, you can prove that triangle DEF is congruent to, remember this represents congruency, congruent to triangle GHK. And the reason is SAS. So very important to note, you must always give the reason at the end. I hope you managed to get question 1 correct.